Alright guys, let's rock it. I made you the pandemic dagger, then I made you the war cleaver. To follow in suit, I thought it'd be fitting to build a combat sword. Stock removal combat sword out of 1084 steel. I've never even made a sword before, so this is going to be awesome. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right there, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, here we are on day 2 of the two-handed sword. This is more like a little combat sword or something like that. I learned a couple things already. I didn't have a heat treating tank for this, so I made a makeshift tank out of it's like a cardboard tube that I cut in half, and I lined it with aluminum foil. It worked great once. It melted, and it worked great once. The other thing that I learned, unfortunately, which had nothing to do with this sword here, I got all ready for heat treat, got the sword ready to go. I had everything set up with the camera, went for heat treat, and I realized afterwards, after I was completely done, my memory card failed me. Well, it didn't fail, it just got full right before I quenched the knife. So unfortunately, you guys don't get to see the climactic footage of the knife quench. I thought about redoing it just for the video so that you guys could see that, but this thing came out perfectly straight. Hey, don't mess with the good thing, right? Heat treatment on the sword, my first one, and it worked. Yeah, I'm not going to heat treat it twice. So, follow along and I'll show you the rest.
Crawling by the rain.
Man, I had a lot of fun making this. My very first sword. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button right there at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified of all my upcoming videos. And guess what? I'll catch you next time.